Grace is the gift we don't deserve, yet God gives it freely. It's the quiet whisper in the storm, the gentle hand lifting us when we fall. When life feels heavy, His grace is enough. For by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not your own doing. It is the gift of God. Ephesians 2 verse 8. Grace is not earned, it is received. It covers our past, strengthens our present, and promises our future. No mistake is too great. No failure is beyond redemption. My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. God does not wait for perfection. He meets us where we are, transforming weakness into strength, fear into faith. His grace is relentless, reaching us even when we run. But He gives more grace. Therefore it says, God opposes the proud but gives grace to the humbled. James 4 verse 6. Grace humbles us, softens our hearts, and draws us closer to Him. It teaches us to love without conditions, to forgive without hesitation, to trust without fear. For the law was given through Moses. Grace and truth came through Jesus Christ. John 1 verse 17. Through Christ, grace became personal. It is not just a concept. It is a presence, a promise, a way of life. The Lord is gracious and merciful, slow to anger and abounding in steadfast love. Psalm 145 verse 8. We may stumble, but His grace lifts us. We may doubt, but His grace reassures us. We may feel unworthy, but His grace calls us beloved. Let us then with confidence draw near to the throne of grace, that we may receive mercy and find grace to help in time of need. Hebrews 4 verse 16. Grace invites us closer, not because we have done enough, but because He has done everything. It is our refuge, our restoration, our greatest hope. Today, let His grace fill you with peace. Let it remind you that you are forgiven, loved, and held in the hands of a God who never lets go. If this message touched your heart, give this video a like, subscribe for more daily inspiration, and share it with someone who needs to hear about God's grace today. Let's spread His love together.